What is up, guys? I'm Uriel Soto, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a e-commerce header, which is basically just adding a menu cart icon to your header. Now this is the default header on my website, so this won't be the header that we'll be creating. But if you are interested in creating a website just like this, feel free to look back to one of my videos, and I should have it in there, or if I don't already, it will probably be uploaded very soon. So let's just dive right in. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is go over to your plugins. You're going to want to install you basically just need 2 plugins. You might even need a third one in case you just don't really want to create the header template yourself. You just want to use a template. Then you're going to want to use Elementor. So the 2 plugins that you mainly need are Elementor header, footer, and blocks, and the most important one is this one right here, BEW menu cart. So this one right here you're gonna need, and this one right here you're gonna need, and also Elements Kit Lite. I'm not really gonna go into installing plugins. I'm sure all you guys know. So after you have installed those, we're just gonna go ahead and go into our appearance and go into header footer builder. As you can tell, I do have some footers here from my last video. I'm not really gonna dive too into creating a header because I do have 2 videos on that you can go ahead and look at. I am gonna be focusing more on adding the menu cart. So if you feel like I didn't explain things that much, you can go ahead and watch my previous video on creating a header in Elementor. So what you're gonna need to do is click Add New, and then select header, and then select if you just want to do an entire website. Let's say you just want a specific page, you can do that as well. You can go over here, specific pages, and then just select the page. But we are going to be doing all pages or the entire website, and let's just leave that how it is, and let's just give this a name. Let's call this header. Let's click publish, and let's go ahead and create our header. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna go and create a header from scratch. I'm just gonna grab a template that I already have using the Elements Kit. It's a free plugin that you can install. So you're gonna head over here and then go into headers, and then we're just gonna select the header here. And some of these are in the pro version, but we're just gonna be using the free version. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one. Let's just save this. And I'm gonna go ahead and try and make this header look more like my website, just so that we can have the right colors in. Because as you can tell, this doesn't really go with my website, so I'm gonna go ahead and just grab this color. And if you're wondering what this extension is, it's called the color picker. Go ahead and use that you can change this up however you like. I just want to kind of want to build my website as well. So here. That is going to take way too long, but I'm actually just gonna delete these, and I'm just gonna edit this last one. Alright, and I just wanna, maybe if you did want to add a different logo, I'm gonna leave this logo, but if you did, just go ahead and click on this and add your logo there. So let's go ahead and move this to the right. You see how it's centered right now? Let's move it to the right. Okay, I do like the search bar, so I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave that here. But if you did want to, you can remove that and then add the cart icon in here instead. But I am gonna actually change the color of this to a green color. Okay. So now that we have that set up, now for the most important part, which is adding a menu cart. So now that you have it in here, it does work with Elementor. So you're just gonna want to type in cart. And it's gonna be this one right here. It's called the Woo Menu Cart. Now, you want to grab that. You know what? Let's go ahead and actually add a column. Now it is going to move everything over. And it might shift things around a bit, but we just wanna kind of move it around and make it seem like make it look like it's looking good. So probably want to move this a little bit over here and just make sure that everything is in line. So, okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and grab that cart again. Let's look for the cart, and then just drop it in there. And you're gonna notice that it's kind of a little bit off, right? I mean, it is a free plugin, so it's not gonna be perfect. So what we're going to want to do is make sure you click on it, go to the advanced settings, and you're going to want to fix it with our margin. The first thing we're going to want to do is from the left, we're going to want to go, bring it down to the negatives until we get it pretty centered where we want it. I don't want to do this too much, so it's just okay, so that looks like it's fun. Now let's just bring it down. Let's click on this section here and then make sure that you have this to set to middle. Okay. And then also bring it down to the bottom, negative as well. Until you reach the middle. Maybe bring this over a bit, and then I kind of want to make this cart quantity icon. I want to make that into red. So go ahead and click on the cart and head over to your style, cart quantity, back around. Let's make this to a red, but let's not make this a really bright red. Let's make it a light red. It looks a lot better with that. And then let's the cart icon. Instead of gray, we can make it really black, or we can gray it out plus as well, just make it a little bit darker. Now the only thing is that our colors are off, so we want to make this into a green color. So what you're going to do is you click on here on the cart, and then you go into the cart drop down, and then you're going to want to choose the background color. So this is the checkout button. So right here, we're going to want to make this color that we choose. And you should save this green color just in case you want to use it. Hover effect, which is green, which is not what we want. So let's go here to hover. This should be the cart. Let's see. I'm wondering if we can change it or not. That would be for the box itself. Let's go ahead and actually remove this. So we have a checkout button. Okay. We can't add a hover to that, but I'm trying to change the color of the border, and let's see if there's a difference here. See if that was it right there. That was not it. Okay. So move that over to okay, so sometimes, like I said, with these free plugins, you tend to get little issues like this. So it looks like we're not able to edit that little border hover here. It's kind of a shame, but it's something that you're gonna need to just adjust with CSS if you want to fix that as well. But regardless, I don't think it's that noticeable, to be honest. It is a free plugin, and it honestly looks pretty great, you know. So I honestly wouldn't really complain about that. So let's just make sure that it looks good on the website here. Let's go ahead and open our home page. And as you can tell, I didn't add this product here, but let me just go ahead and add this product. Now these are just sample products. Okay, now look at that. Look how clean that looks. This looks really good. Right? And it honestly looks way better than the menu that I had before, the default menu on this website. So you can go ahead and add your logo here and really set this up how you want this to look like. So, and you can even do this on the Pro version as well. But on the Pro version, it's the same thing. You just grab their product that they already have by default. So let's just make sure that this looks good on mobile as well. So as you can tell, there are some little issues here that we do need to adjust. So what I'm gonna do is probably shift this one over, just like so. And then let's go ahead and shift this logo as well, the section of the logo, and let's probably shift it to about, you know what, we'll probably shift it over here, and we'll probably start on this side as well, right here. So then we're gonna move this over just about this. Sorry if there's any background noise. Okay. And then we're gonna move this over a bit here. And we're gonna save that because that is good. And then let's just adjust the mobile version of this. And I honestly usually do not like having a large button. Okay, so I usually don't like having a large button, so I'm just gonna make this section invisible on mobile. So let's just put that to hide, and then let's go ahead and shrink this logo here. At least adjust the column over, and this one as well. This will probably be at 10, and then we can shift it over a bit as well. Like everything looks perfectly. I know that the search kind of looks like it's too much, so if you wanted to remove the search bar, I would just go to responsive and hide the search bar, and then also just move it over as well. Just seems like we have like way too much going on, you know. So maybe shift this over. I don't like how the top bar seems like it's really close enough. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to hide this section here. I think the top bar is good and large. And I'm going to add some spacing as well to this. So I'm going to move this section here, go to advanced, go to pixels, and from the top I'm just going to bring it down a bit. Actually, you know what? Instead of margin, let's go ahead. I like to do padding instead. As well, let's shift it over as well, and let's do the same thing for right. Okay, now that looks pretty darn good. Oops, you know what? Now as you can tell, you can see that the menu isn't showing right now. It's just glitching out, but believe me, it does work. So I'm gonna actually show you. I know that it doesn't want to show here. Let's go in here. And then let me show you how this would look like. So let's go into inspect. And as you can tell, everything works properly as well. So, and that's just because I zoomed in. So let me go back in here. And then if you didn't want to edit this cart, I would obviously suggest removing this logo, but you can add a logo if you wanted to. So that would just be the logo up here, but I usually remove it. It's up to you how you want to go about doing that. And there you guys have it. Alright, so that is it. If you did want to learn how to make this into a sticky header, feel free to watch one of my other videos. I get through that. If the video did help you guys out, make sure to subscribe and like the video so you can catch up on the next videos that I upload to this channel. And if you do need any help, if you have any questions on WordPress in general, Elementor, or e-commerce, feel free to reach out